Hello and welcome back to my channel, my friends. So today I have a great product that I bought in Aliexpress. This is a kind of mini quadcopter drone with camera. Cheap one. I already tested it and I think it's not bad for this price. So how you can see, it comes not in like usual in a cardboard or paper box, so it comes with in a great case, carrying bag. So it had shells here and here. So let's open this and see what's inside. So open this zipper. So and open, and what we can see here, yes, this is the cheap budget drone quadcopter. So how you can see, there is a different types of combinations what you can order from Aliexpress, and so I ordered this one with 2 batteries. There you can choose with 1 battery, with 2, or with more batteries, and the completion is usable and variable. So in this here we can see there is a kind of instruction in Chinese language and in English, user manual. What else? Then this is for this drone, for security purpose you must this on this rotors. This go. Well, I will show you later how it's to install this. So what else? And there is a not very long, but okay, charging cable with micro USB connector for battery charging. And this is, how you can see, QR codes for app. You can download app here in English. You can download this app by using these QR codes for iOS or Android phones. So, and you will be able to download this app, and with this app you can use this drone with your smartphone. What else? And there is a spare parts. Yes, screwdriver and 2 spare parts for these rotors. Well, that's all. Let's see what's this. This is a control unit, remote control for this drone with 2 antennas. And here you can see there is a kind of slider for your smartphone. You can this slide and you can put here your smartphone and see what you filming when you flying with this drone. This remote control comes with batteries, how you can see. You can open. Yes, there is 3 AA batteries. You must buy these batteries separately because this remote control comes without any battery. So this is this remote control for this unit. Then we here have a spare battery. You can see battery. Here is a connecting jack for this cable. You can put this cable and charge this. put this side to your smartphone or whatever else charging unit. So this is one battery, and the other battery is already installed in this drone. Okay, take this to side to not. So this is the drone unit. Very lightweight, small, foldable, and here comes this battery. You can see here there is the battery. You must done so, and the battery comes out and put again in. So yes, this is the right way. So okay, in this way you can unfold this drone. I cannot test how it flies because outside is now very bad weather condition. So this is the drone. Nothing special. Budget drone. Here is a button to make it run, to shut down. And there is a, you can see there is a camera. You must remember this is a budget class drone, and this camera you must manually adjust if you want to make this camera looks backwards, down, or you can take so, and this camera shows what's in your way when you fly. Okay, and this is some kind of guards that you not go crash these rotors. So here you can put this so with a click, and here click, and there another one makes clicks. By the way, I bought this model with 2 batteries. I made this choice with 2 batteries. I bought it for 39 euros. If you, I leave the link in description below. There you can see what kind of models this brand has. So this is the drone. So what can I say? For this money, I think for beginners, it's not bad choice. Because if you are beginner, you with 100%, I can say you will crash this somewhere in bushes or something else, or it falls down, and so more for children and for beginners. If you are a pro, of course you will buy some DJI Mavics or something like this. But this is a beginner model, so keep in mind you will get that how much you paid it for this stuff. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Links in description below. So see you on next videos.